Hey guys, what's going on? Got a new audio product here that I'm going to give a quick review over, and I'll do a quick unboxing for you right now. And once I get it in the car and played with it for a few weeks or so, I'll give you a review and see what I think. If you're looking to upgrade your B series Falcon head unit, this is a good way to go, and I reckon it's going to be great. So stay tuned and I'll unbox it and tell you what you get in the box, and we'll go from there. Alright, cheers guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, let's get into it. I'll show you what you get. You first get this nice packaging. It's very nice box. Got the magnetic locking. Anyway, I guess with the box, let's get into it. Alright, there's the device there guys. Let's get it out of the box and show you what accessories you get. So I've gone for the grey colour. You can get this also in the silver or the black. So I just want to keep kind of more original kind of look. There's grey in there because I've got a BA series Mark II, so I still have the charcoal grey. That's it there guys. So you got your traction control button, your lock button, your light, trip, volume up and down. I'm guessing that's the back button, AC, home, on and off. So yeah, it looks very nice quality. Give you a quick look at that. Just the rear section of it, so it's very small. Not too much going on. And yes, apparently this is just a plug and play system, so it still uses your factory Falcon clips, just clips straight in. So there you go guys, that's what it looks like there. Very nice, very high quality. Had a good look over it when I got it out of the box earlier, and not a mark or a scratch on the paintwork. So very high quality, very well done. Alright, I'll put that aside for you guys. So you can pay for an extra, you can get your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So I've got that there. So you tuck that into the box. A nice manual, so you've got everything you need to know about the unit in there. So that's there. Mounting bracket. So I'd say this for your car, computer, central locking unit. I'd say must bolt under here. Not 100% yet. Wait until I put this together, and I'll let you know once I do the review of the unit, and go from there. So I'm guessing that's the plate for your, screw your central locking unit on and the factory computer. Anyway, that's it there. And that's all your wiring looms. So you got your, so that's your unit to go to your factory plug. Goes in the back of the head unit, and there as well. So there. So your auxiliaries, so you want reverse cameras, run amps, subwoofers, anything like that, you can do that there. There. Another USB in, just there. Microphone, for the Bluetooth, making calls, get that as well. Another USB cable, GPS, do sat nav, and a little antenna for the back of the unit. I don't know if that's for the Bluetooth or I don't know. I'll have to wait until I get into it and install it all. So yeah. Yeah, so that's it guys. So that's what you get when you order one of these BF units from Kayhan Audio. Very high quality, boxed up very well. I had another wrapping over this as well from Australia Post. Yeah. tuned for the next video, and if you like this video, thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. If you want to subscribe, that'd be great.